Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to look at VeryChat, how to get VeryChat node fast. A lot of questions has been asked. Jenny, how will I get the VeryChat node? I have seen all the questions. So in this video I'm going to explain it. And if you have not started mining VeryChat, locate the link in the video description. Once you register, the next thing to do is you click on this plus sign here, this plus sign. Once you tap on the plus sign, you are going to put my invitation code. You will see input invitation code. My invitation code will be in the video description as well. StarGirl98, that is my invitation code. So once you use it, you are going to receive 100 Very automatically for using that. You need to get invite. The major question is, how do I get VeryChat node? How do I get VeryChat node? It's very simple and straightforward. The first thing you need to understand is that you need to be active for you to receive the VeryChat node. Your activeness in the project matters if they will give you VeryChat node or not. The VeryChat node is being received by invitation. Now going to this place, going to this setting option, you tap on it, then you tap on this notice. Yesterday they did node distribution update and they said that the node distribution for this round will be completed today based on snapshot taken on January 30th at 13 UTC. So yesterday they distributed another node for those that qualify. They said a total of 305 nodes will be distributed this round. And who will receive nodes? Who will receive nodes? Users who reach level 6 or higher in VeryChat app. Did you see who will receive it? Users who reach level 6. So if you are not active, how will you reach that level 6 to receive node? You have to be active to receive the node. Users who reach level 6 or higher in VeryChat app based on January 30th. So if you have reached level 6 on VeryChat before January 30th, before the snapshot was taken, automatically they are going to give you a node. Now they say important note. Users who abuse the system were excluded. So if you abuse the system, you won't get the node. Users who met the invite requirement but didn't meet activation condition are currently on hold. So if you reach the invite requirement but you didn't meet the activation condition, you will not receive the code. They say if you receive a node, check your admin message in the app. So this is the first thing to do. You must make sure that you are active so that you can reach at least level 6 for you to receive that node. Number one. Another fastest means to receive that node is through invite. You need to invite friends to the project. When they were doing their pre-sale, people were actually buying node, but they have to reserve some for their users, and they are giving you free node that's worth $500 for being an active member, for helping them build their project. So if you can't invite people to the project and you can't even be active, tell me how you will receive the node. So the fastest means or the fastest way to receive this node is to invite friends. You invite minimum of 31 friends, then they will send you invitation. They will reward you with one node, which can be generating every day at least 213 or more than in a day. Multiply that in a month, you will know how much you made from that. So some of you that are complaining that 31 referrals is high for you to invite to receive this node, some of you are students, you have colleagues in your workplace which you can easily use their phone and do this. Click on it, make sure you start the mine so that they will not tag it as a boat farmer. Start it, use their phone. If they complain they don't have data, hotspot for them and get what you want. That is the simplest way to go about it. Once you receive that invitation, you're going to see this thing here, this logo here. Once you receive the invitation, you're going to see the logo here. which you will be claiming all the time. Every day you claim once per day. My node is still farming from you. Claim once per day. So don't keep so stop complaining about referrals. Invite your colleagues, your friends and your families, your classmates. Invite them. Use their phone. Do what you want and you know what you are looking for. So that is it. It's very, very simple. You can do this. I know you can do this. And be active. Your activeness matters. Secondly, they are doing a partnership campaign with OKS. So the partnership campaign with OKS, which you have to register with VeryChat link. Once you register with VeryChat link through OKS, they are going to reward you with 500k Very. And by doing that partnership task, you have a very high chance of receiving that node even without referrals. So go and do it. I'm looking for that stuff. I can't find it. It's usually here. It's usually this side, but I can't find it. It's usually here. So once you click on your app, you see OKS partnership. Follow the process. You must make sure you download your OKS using VeryChat link. If you have OKS before, it's not going to work. Criteria, I have read it before. They said you must register OKS using VeryChat link. So once you use your old OKS UID, it won't work. So make sure you use the new download OKS. Look for someone and use their detail and verify it. Copy your UID. Participate in that partnership campaign. You might be eligible and they will reward you with one node even without referrals. I believe this has answered all the questions. Some people will still come back and ask me, Jenny, how will I get node? They will watch this video now. They'll still come back and ask me questions on how to get it. I have made it clear how you can easily get node. Your activeness in the project, the invitation, you need to invite your friends, and the last one is to join this OKS campaign. They are in partnership with OKS. You might be lucky you will receive that node. I believe this video is helpful. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.